You know that thrill when you open a margin trade and suddenly you're controlling a position 10, 20 times bigger than your actual stash. It's electric, feels like you've leveled up, but mate, that power comes with a price, a margin call. If you've ever seen that dreaded notification, you'll know it's the market's version of a slap in the face. It's the final warning before your capital gets wiped out. Let's break this down. When you use margin, what you're really doing is borrowing money from the exchange to crank up your position size. This means when things go your way, you can make outsized gains. But here's the catch. It also means your losses get supersized just as quickly. The money you put up, that's your margin. It's basically insurance for the exchange, saying, don't worry, I'll cover my side. But every exchange has this thing called a maintenance margin. If your trade goes against you and your margin drops below that level, the exchange sends you the infamous margin call. It's not a friendly chat. It's the exchange saying, either top up your account or I'll have to close your trade. Now if you ignore that margin call, maybe you're out, maybe you're just hoping the market will turn, well, the exchange won't wait for you. If the price keeps moving against you, they'll liquidate your position automatically. That means you lose your entire initial margin. Gone. It's not just a regular loss, it's a complete wipeout, forced by the system to pay back what you borrowed. So, how do you avoid this disaster? Honestly, it comes down to discipline. First, never go for max leverage like 50x or 100x. It's tempting, but your liquidation price will be so close to your entry that even a tiny dip will shut you down. Second, always keep a buffer. Don't trade with every penny in your account. Keep free margin on hand. It acts as a shock absorber when the market gets jumpy. Most importantly, use stop losses. Set your own exit before the market sets one for you. A stop loss is you taking control, deciding upfront how much pain you're willing to take. It's the difference between a small, manageable loss and a catastrophic margin call. Remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify your wins, sure, but it'll also amplify your losses. Control your leverage, or it'll end up controlling you. Trade safe, stay sharp, and let your margin work for you, not against you. Join us and reach your next crypto level.